If you need to request a refund from Airbnb, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to gather all necessary information before starting. Step 1. Review the cancellation policy. Check the cancellation policy of your booking to understand the terms and conditions. This will help you determine if you are eligible for a refund based on the host rules. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant information related to your booking, including your reservation number, dates, and any communication with the host. This documentation will support your refund request. Step 3. Contact your host. Reach out to your host through the Airbnb messaging system to discuss your situation. If applicable, explain why you are requesting a refund and see if they are willing to accommodate your request. Step 4. Submit a refund request. If your host is unresponsive or unable to help, go to the Airbnb Help Center. Follow the prompts to submit a formal refund request, providing all necessary details and documentation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, monitor your email for updates from Airbnb. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to ensure your request is being processed. By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process with Airbnb more effectively. Good luck!